Most carpet cleaning businesses rely on referrals, maybe a few repeat customers, and then the slow weeks hit. The phone barely rings, and you start wondering, where are the new jobs supposed to come from? One cleaner in a southern city decided they were done waiting for referrals, and they built a system that generated 251 carpet and upholstery cleaning leads in just 70 days. Like many cleaning business owners, their schedule wasn't really the problem. They were good at what they did, customers were happy, but their growth was unpredictable. Some weeks were completely packed, other weeks were painfully quiet. They wanted something every carpet cleaner dreams about: a steady flow of homeowners actively searching for cleaning services. Not cold calls, not door knocking, just people already on Google typing "carpet cleaning near me." This cleaner operates in a city down south and offers both carpet cleaning and upholstery cleaning services. Referrals were helping, but the team wanted a reliable lead pipeline from Google. So they partnered with Book Cleaning Jobs to test a focused Google ad strategy. The idea was simple: show up exactly when homeowners are searching for help. The campaign targeted high-intent searches like carpet cleaning near me and upholstery cleaning near me. Then the team started optimizing, adjusting keywords, refining search terms, improving ad targeting, and slowly the data started telling a story. January was the testing phase. The campaign generated 89 leads. Encouraging, but still early. Then February arrived. Optimization started to kick in. Better targeting, better traffic, and suddenly, 162 leads came in that month alone. That's an 81% jump in just 1 month. Most homeowners were finding this cleaner at the top of Google. But here's the part that got really interesting. While leads increased, cost per lead actually dropped from about $66 per lead down to $56. And conversion rates improved too. More clicks, more inquiries, more booked cleaning jobs. In just 70 days, this campaign produced 251 carpet and upholstery cleaning leads. For the business, the biggest change wasn't just the numbers, it was the predictability. Instead of hoping referrals would show up, homeowners were finding them every day through Google searches. If you're a cleaning business owner or a carpet cleaner tired of slow weeks and you want homeowners calling you when they search for cleaning services, that's exactly the kind of system we build. So if you want more carpet cleaning leads coming from Google, visit bookcleaningjobs.com and schedule a call with our team. Because the best cleaning businesses don't just wait for work, they build a system that brings the work to them.